Hello again, my precious, and here is a new video on my channel, and today's lesson will be pretty easy, but it is also pretty necessary, because we are going to talk how to say I need in Ukrainian. It's pretty easy, so let's start. Прикметники потрібний, потрібен, потрібна, потрібне, потрібні та прислівники потрібно, треба. So, in English, we have the verb to need. And the adjective necessary or adverb necessarily. So, but in Ukrainian, in that case, we use adjectives that you see now in the slide, or adverbs that again you see in the slide. Adjectives потрібний, потрібен, потрібна, потрібне, потрібні, and adverbs потрібно, треба. So, let's find out the difference. Вивчимо правило. Let's learn the rule. So, потрібний, потрібен, потрібна, потрібне, потрібні, потрібний, потрібен, the two forms of grammatical masculine, потрібна grammatical feminine, потрібне grammatical neuter, потрібні plural. And you see that this adjective, like all the adjectives, are in the same gender, number, with the noun they denote. So, an adjective expressing some need, necessity, as I told you in the previous slide. The adjective agrees in gender and number with the noun denoting something we need. So, like all the adjectives, yes, it denotes with the nouns. In gender, number, case even. The person who needs something is used in the dative case. So, you see, for example, if I need something, I use dative case to build a sentence. For example, I need Олеся, мені потрібна Леся. Мені потрібен Тарас, I need Тарас. Мені потрібне мило, I need some salt. So, if this I, in Ukrainian, it will be many, it's dative case. So, and then we tell what do we need. And it is in the same gender number as what we need. For example, I need Олеся, Олеся feminine, so we say мені потрібна Олеся. Тарас masculine, so мені потрібен Тарас, or потрібний. We can use both variants. And soap, it's neuter, so we say мені потрібне мило. Потрібно, треба is an adverb which when used with a verb denotes the necessity of an action. The person who needs to do a certain action is used in the dative case, so it's here the same. So, but we use after the потрібно, not in this case, not noun, but action, verb. Мені потрібно йти. I need to go. I must go. Мені потрібно працювати. I must or need to work. So, I guess it is clear for you. So, this one in genders and numbers denotes with a noun. And this one we use with verbs. So, let's go to practice and you understand more.
Хтось каже, нам то не треба.
So here is the exercise. We need to put here the adverb потрібно, треба or adjectives потрібне, потрібен, потрібна, потрібне, потрібні in the sentences. So pay attention. If we have a noun, we use потрібне, потрібен, потрібне, потрібне, потрібні. If we have a verb, this part потрібно, треба. And there is no difference between these two. Actually, потрібно and треба, they are synonyms, they are the same. And here we pay attention in this part on gender of a noun. It's if it's masculine, потрібний or потрібен. If it's feminine, потрібна. If it's neuter, потрібне. If it's plural, потрібні. So stop this video, do this exercise, and then we'll check. Відповіді. Answers. So I have done this exercise for you. I'll explain. Мені потрібна його ручка. So I need his pen. Pen in Ukrainian. Ручка. Grammatical feminine. So we use потрібна. Йому потрібна моя адреса. He needs my address. And again, мені, йому, dative case. Okay, моя адреса, again, feminine, so we use потрібно here. Мені треба йти. I need to go. So, again, we use adverb, треба, because here is the verb, йти. And after this, the verb is in infinitive, actually. So, pay attention. Їй потрібен один студент. She needs one student. Again, їй, dative. One student, it's masculine. So, we use потрібен. Мені потрібно працювати. I need to work. So, to work, it's infinitive, a verb. So, we use потрібно. And we can say мені треба працювати. It's the same. Next. Їм потрібно купити хліб. They need to buy bread. Again, in dative, їм. And we see that купити, infinitive verb, so потрібно we use here, adverb. Or we can say їм треба купити хліб, it's the same. Мені потрібне молоко, щоб спекти торт. I need milk to bake a cake. Молоко, milk, grammatical neuter, we use потрібне. Тобі потрібен шампунь? Do you need a shampoo? Shampoo is grammatical masculine, so we use потрібен. Next. Мені потрібно писати доповідь. I need to write a report. So, писати, it's a verb, right? So we use потрібно, or we can use треба. Мені треба писати доповідь, it's the same. Йому треба вивчити ці слова. He needs to learn these words. Or he must learn these words. Again, вивчити verb infinitive. That's why we use треба, or we can say потрібно. Йому потрібно вивчити ці слова. So, I guess that's pretty easy for you. You can screenshot this. You can ask me any questions in the comments if you don't understand. This is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you enjoyed it immensely, like me enjoyed doing it. If you do, please give this video a huge thumb up and subscribe to my channel not to miss any other videos. Leave any questions you wish if you don't understand something, and leave your ideas for future videos. I'll be glad to write everything down and to make a new video about your ideas, according to your ideas. And we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.